Isolated in the vast expanse of the South Pacific, Easter Island remains a land of mystery. Since its discovery by Europeans in the 18th century, very little is still known about the people who once lived there or their origins. But of all the mysteries involving the island, otherwise known as Rapa Nui, the most persistent involve the nearly 900 megalithic statues known as moai, and why they were put here in the first place. The moai are considered to be no more than perhaps 1,000 years old. However, it has been established that some of them penetrate down into the ground by a great amount of feet to reveal the rest of the body, not just the oversized head. And the amount of patination suggests that they are infinitely older than 1,000 years and could go back many, many, many millennia. When you visit Easter Island and you look at the sites there, the statues, the megalithic walls, you realize they're much older than what, history tells us. Further clouding the issue is a discovery that was made in 2017. With the help of photography and 3D modeling programs, archaeologists discovered that the 13-ton stone hats known as pukao on the Easter Island moai contain a wide diversity of petroglyphs made by what appear to be different groups of people. The hats that are on top of the Easter Island moai are a little bit of a mystery, but recently they've been analysed and carvings have been found on them, which has, questioned, the idea of what they really represent. Perhaps there is something else going on here. It could well be that a number of different cultures lived on Easter Island. One of the most fascinating monuments on Easter Island is the stone platform, or ahu, known as vinapu. And this is a huge megalithic construction that is essentially a wall made of cyclopean megalithic blocks that all interlock with each other. When you look at this, you cannot help but think of Cusco in Peru. And there has to be a relationship between the two cultures. All of these are part of a much bigger transmission of knowledge where the common belief, was an origin amongst the stars.